What do you got going on over here, Flo?
Just making sure we got smooth surfaces before we install that rack. Oh, the exoskeleton. What's it called? Exoskeleton?
Yeah, it's an exoskeleton.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So on this episode, we got some cool stuff going on. I know you guys have been following along with the exoskeleton build. It's behind me, it's back from paint. We've got doors hung on it. We've got interior soundproofing in there. We've got windows in, repainted all this, the bezels on it, powder coated the accessories, stainless steel hardware. These are the flush mounted LED lights. All kinds of cool stuff. It's exciting because this truck is finally coming together. You've been following along for months, literally months on this cage right here, the exoskeleton. And there's just been so much work and detail that's gone into this cage that it really has taken months. Poor Josh has been like nonstop on this thing, but it's back from powder coat. He's done with it finally. We are getting this thing wired up. So it's a big day for us. We've got a huge job in front of us though. Jared's wiring this thing up. I think it's probably gonna take about a week, but let's go check with him and see how long he thinks it's gonna go. Jared, how long do you think it's gonna take to wire this whole thing up?
It's gonna take a while. A week is a pretty good guess.
Probably realistic, yeah.
Realistic.
My problem is I always think, oh, it should be like 1 day, 2 days, and we're done with this thing, right? No, it's just not that way. There's so much wiring that goes into this thing. And you can see these lines right here. These are all tagged and numbered. We actually ran these, Josh ran those through the whole rack. You can see all these wires here. And so what we're gonna do with these guys, tie this into the wiring and then just draw it right through. So you can see what Jared's doing right now. He's got this thing wired up. So yeah, he's got to run all the wires. We should do a calculation on how many feet of wiring goes into this thing. What's your guess?
I got 12, 20.
No, don't think about it. No. 20 guess. Just off the top of your head. 100 feet.
200 feet.
200 feet, all right.
I'll say 200.
I'm betting on Jared here,
okay.
Not you. I'll bet on Jared with 200 feet.
So 200 feet for you. 200 feet for the copycat behind the camera. I'm gonna bet more like 800 feet.
That's a lot.
It is a lot, dude. I think you're underestimating it. You realize there's 2 lights per pod here.
That's true.
There's 2 lights here, 2 runs of wires, 2 lights up here as well, upper and lower.
But wait a minute, didn't you say 100 feet at first?
Yeah, I was trying to lowball him.
Oh.
I'll go 400.
That's why I threw that out. He's like, no, like 200. We gotta take some bets here. I'm at 800, you're at 200, not 400.
I'll do 400.
All right, I'll give it to him since he's stuck wiring it up. Hey, Cheeto! Hey, how many feet of wiring do you think we're gonna put into this?
47.
47 feet.
47 feet?
You lost.
That's meters.
You lost. You're not metric, bro. All right, so we got wiring going on. I wish it was just slam dunk a day or two and have this thing going on early next week. That's not the case. We're looking about a week for this. But during that process of getting this thing wired up, we're getting the whole truck wrapped up over here. So we've got all kinds of stuff going on, touch-up stuff underneath the hood. They're doing the final conversion wiring and cleanup up here. Interior has been fully removed. The dash is out of here. And we've got the Alpha dash kit going in place, as well as the interior up with Roy right now. And I know he's backed up. He's got like 5 or 6 trucks that he's doing right now. And poor guy, we've been on him trying to get all this stuff done. So a lot of stuff coming. Hopefully we get the interior out. I think that's probably gonna be our biggest delay on this truck. But the outside's gonna look really good in another like week.
They got the bumper on, huh?
Yeah, bumper's on. Looks insane. It's gonna look better when we get the whole exoskeleton on. These are the mounts for the exoskeleton. We just put some rags on there just to protect people because it is kind of sharp. They're very tight, precise billet steel mounts that we manufactured over here on the mill. But they're a little bit sharp, so protect everybody, but also to protect the truck. When this thing was going on, we want to make sure that it was all nice and safe and we didn't touch the paintwork. We've got the new steps integrated in here with a diamond plate, which is really cool. We threw the Predator logo. It's all CNC engraved into the actual step. Pretty cool. And we also have rigid flush mount light back here. So the cool thing about that one is you've got the center area of it that throws out a ton of light as far as like a reverse light or a rock light, something like that for off-roading. We're gonna use it as a reverse light, but it also has like a halo around there that throws out a ton of red light. So we're gonna use those as brake lights as well as turn lights. So you have a secondary set of brake lights and turn lights down here. But it's looking really good. We're super close. Lots of stuff going on this week. Glad the cage is back because that's going on here in another week or so. So it's been wrapped up. Yeah.
Wait a minute, what is...
What you were saying wasn't important anyway.
Oh, apparently not.
No,
but
no.
I see something else
Hey,
down here.
You know
What's
what,
that?
too? As much as we joke around with Jason, we truly do mean everything we say. I mean, we love him.
Anyways, what is this that I see down here?
So this is actually the decking for the roof. So
And
what
it's all
we've done
powder coated now.
Yeah, it's all powder coated. So another cool fact, I'm glad you brought this up. These guys are all powder coated. They go up here. I'm not sure where this one goes.
Don't mess it up. Just,
No.
That might not be the right spot.
Yeah, it's not the right spot. But anyways, that's the decking, right? So that's going down on the roof, and it's getting a secondary coat of textured black Kevlar liner. But we're gonna give it like a really rough finish on it, so you can get up there, walk around on it. The idea behind it is flat deck up there that you can walk around on, but with the textured Kevlar paint on top of it, it's gonna add a lot of texture, a lot of grip and traction for you. We also integrated the roof rack bars, so it will be an integrated roof rack system up here too. So fully functioning exoskeleton. Another cool feature too. This guy right here, see these little tabs? These guys took Josh literally like 2.5 days to weld up. There's nuts that are welded on each of these tabs. And the reason for that is when we put this decking down on here, you literally just put screws in or bolts in from the top. But yeah, you just screw it down, you're good to go. So if you ever need to take it off, it's quick and easy. You want to get down there to, I don't know, wash the roof or something like that, you can just pop them off. We are very, very excited because the exoskeleton is going on the truck. This is a big day for us. We literally had, I don't know, 4 months on the cage, the interior work, paint work's done. So really big day. This is kind of like the point where everything starts rolling together very quickly. So we're putting the cage on. We literally have like, I think it's like, I don't know, maybe 7-8 minutes left in the day. So we're trying to get it on the truck before the end of the day and at least get the cage off the ground. We've been working on the electrical system, or wiring and all the lights. Jared's been on that for over a week, and it's absolutely beautiful. It just looks amazing. So we get on the truck, we'll do some up close shots of the electrical, but everything is routed inside the cage itself, inside all the tubes. You really can't see the wiring except for maybe a couple inches before it disappears in the tube. So beautiful work from everybody on this thing. Josh has been spearheading the whole cage assembly. All the bolts are lined up. It's absolutely beautiful, and it looks like we're ready to go. So we're gonna throw this thing on right now. right, you got a foot to go. Or so. Yeah.
Hey guys.
You guys good? Coming down. I'm good. You okay, Sheeta, without that?
Almost there.
Alright, we're loose now.
We're loose. According to right here, or the pants got it.
All right, folks, so we got the exoskeleton on the truck just in time. It's after 5 o'clock. The guys stayed late. They did an awesome job getting it on there. Didn't do any damage to the paint or the truck, which is huge because it's definitely very difficult to get all those legs perfectly vertical coming down on the truck, but it's down. Now it's not tightened in place yet. As you can see here, it's not fully fitted. It is Wednesday. The vlog has to go out tomorrow, and we're gonna need like at least a day fitting the cage. So I apologize. I wish I could show you the whole exoskeleton in all its glory. It's pretty amazing, but check in on the next vlog. We will show you the whole exoskeleton on the truck, fitted in place. May even have some more accessories on there. So thanks for watching, folks. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next week.
What was that, Randy?
You need to give me some money if you want my picture, boy. It's after hours, dude, and what can I say?
Such a give me a call.